When was the last time you asked yourself, is my job safe from AI? You could be a teacher, a designer, an accountant, a lawyer. But here's the truth, no one is immune. As early as 2025, artificial intelligence began replacing not just routine tasks, but what we once called creativity, analysis, and complex decision-making. And it's not happening somewhere out there, it's happening right now. Goldman Sachs, McKinsey, and the World Economic Forum all agree. By 2027, millions of people worldwide will face a new reality. Their jobs may no longer need them. Not just factory workers or call centers. We're talking office jobs, programmers, designers, legal departments. Where there used to be teams, now there's one person and a couple of AI agents. Faster, cheaper, tireless. But who exactly will be replaced first? Why it's not just about ChatGPT, and how tools like AutoGPT and Heygen make Zapier and Trello Bots are already working in IBM, Microsoft, and Meta. This video isn't about fear. It's about facts. Ready? Let's begin. While you're watching this video, 50 people will be laid off due to AI every 8 minutes, especially when giants like Goldman Sachs, McKinsey, and WF are behind it. In 2023, Goldman Sachs shook the world with a report. Up to 300 million jobs globally could be replaced or devalued by AI. In the US and Europe, every second office worker is at risk. McKinsey goes even further. By 2030, 375 million people may have to change careers. That's 14% of the global workforce. But the most alarming number? The speed. According to the World Economic Forum, by 2027, 83 million jobs will disappear. Only 69 million new ones will emerge. That's a net loss of 14 million jobs. International Labor Organization adds. 34% of jobs in developed countries are under direct threat. Women are hit harder. Nearly 10% of female jobs are at risk, versus 3.5% for men. Oxford Economics predicts 20 million manufacturing jobs lost by 2030, 2 million of them in the US by 2025, and in finance. AI already handles credit scoring, customer consultations, and loan processing faster and more reliably than any human. But remember, the threat isn't just physical labor. It's also accountants, marketers, lawyers, HR. AI doesn't get tired, doesn't take sick leave. Companies are watching the numbers, and the numbers are brutal. So, what now? To understand who's at risk, we must understand what is replacing them. And it's not just AI in general. It's specific, powerful tools that are already in use today. AI agents, AutoGPT, Open Interpreter, MetaGPT, etc. They don't just chat, they think. Plan tasks, break them into steps, analyze data. Adjust on the fly, think of them as junior employees who never sleep and never make mistakes. Connected to tools like N8N, make Zapier, Trello Bots, Slack automation. Airtable, they run entire workflows, sales pipelines, competitor research, and more without a human in the loop. Chatbots and AMP, voice assistants replacing help desks, receptionists, and call center agents. According to Gartner, 80% of support requests are now handled by AI with higher customer satisfaction. Generative AI text, images, video, and sound. ChatGPT content. Midjourney, Leonardo visuals. Runway, Pika video, 11 labs. Voiced at AI Voice, one person can do the job of 5 creatives in one evening. AI robots. Amazon already uses AI-driven robots to pick, sort, and deliver products. AI-powered kitchens are real. These aren't sci-fi. These are job replacements today. Let's name names. IBM. In 2025, laid off 8,000 people, mostly in HR. They were replaced by AskHR, an AI platform that handled 94% of requests. Only 6% required a human. Microsoft, over 6,300 employees laid off in 2024 to 2025. Mostly junior devs. Why? Copilot plus AutoGPT equals code written 3x faster. Google replaced hundreds in ad departments with AI that runs A/B tests, sets budgets, and optimizes campaigns. Meta let go of 5% of staff, then increased hiring for AI roles. Salesforce cut recruiters. GPT agents now scan resumes, do interviews, and suggest candidates. Dropbox, we're not cutting to save money. We're shifting our structure. We're investing in AI. This is not an experiment. This is a global playbook. Not everyone will be replaced, but some roles are clearly first in line. Administrative staff assistants, coordinators, planners. Outlook schedules meetings, Notion turns notes into full reports. GPT agents automate it all via N8N. Customer support modern bots do refunds, diagnostics, CRM updates, order processing already deployed by Amazon, Microsoft, major banks, finance accountants, auditors, analysts. Tools like Xero, QuickBooks, Tally, GPT plugins for Excel AI does calculations, reports, budgets, credit analysis instantly. Marketing and AMP, advertising posts, banners, email flows, media plans, ideas, KPIs, all automated. Agencies are cutting teams and hiring AI strategists. Education and AMP, law unexpected but true. AI writes lectures, creates learning materials. In law, contracts, legal research, case summaries, all automated where 70 to 90% of tasks are repetitive. AI wins. Opinions vary wildly. Sam Altman, CEO, OpenAI, AI agents will be like junior employees. You delegate. They work. You check results. No training. No motivation needed. Bill Gates. Work is a necessity, not a passion. If AI frees us from that necessity, the real question is, what will we do with the freedom? PwC. AI makes people more valuable, but only those who know how to use it. Analysis of 800 million job listings. AI-skilled workers earn 56% more on average. Bottom line, AI isn't here to eliminate everyone. It's here to replace those who stay stuck in the past. Yes, AI changes the game. Yes, millions of jobs are at risk. But no, the future isn't doomed. It's just different. Every tech revolution starts with fear and ends with new opportunities. Electricity, internet, smartphones. Each one killed jobs and then created more. AI doesn't require panic. It requires attention, flexibility, curiosity. The people at risk aren't those who can't code. They're the ones who refuse to adapt. The number one skill of the 21st century? Adaptability. So here's the better question. How can I use AI to my advantage? How can I partner with it, not compete with it? Because peace of mind doesn't come from ignoring the threat. It comes from knowing you still have a choice. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and stick around. We'll be sharing more practical tools and step-by-step guides on how to thrive in the AI era.